Hi everyone, today is Tuesday. Let's have a look and see what we've got on the rainbow chart. Firstly, we have reading. In reading, we're going to be learning about the oi sound. Go on to the Lavella at Home site to listen to Miss Fawkes read out words with the oi sound in them. I wonder how many of these words you will be able to spell. Remember to make sure the words look right and sound right. Next on rainbow chart, we have writing. In writing, we're going to be writing a detailed procedure telling someone how to wash your dog. Remember to include a title, goal, materials, and steps. You can use your plan from yesterday's writing to help you with your writing today. In numeracy, we're going to continue our learning with division. But today you're going to be solving division worded problems. You need to read the worded problems very carefully and find the key words before you try to solve the problem. You can also jump on the Lavella at Home site to watch some videos about division. As always, make sure you spend some time outside in the sunshine, getting lots of exercise and running around playing. Have a great day, you two. Bye.